Buying a home is thrilling until something goes wrong. Picture this: a leak bursts, an unexpected power outage, a repair bill that catches you off guard. Now you're online, frantically searching. Your goal? Pick the right contractor. You scroll through reviews, compare prices, and hope you don't gamble on the wrong person. That's where Tip Top Realty steps in. Introducing Contractor Connect. It's a private network of vetted, trusted, and proven contractors. These are the same professionals we rely on for our listings, renovations, and investment properties. With us, there's no guesswork, no uncertain hires, and no regret. Just reliable experts who show up, complete the work, and treat you fairly. Need plumbing? Electrical? Roofing? HVAC? Remodeling? Contractor Connect simplifies everything. Visit Contractor Connect, tiptoprealtyin.com. Choose the contractor you need. Connect directly with someone we trust. It's fast, it's free, and most importantly, it saves you hours of stress. As a real estate brokerage, we experience the best and the worst daily. We've done the hard work for you, because owning a home should feel secure, not stressful. Tip Top Realty, helping you long after the closing. Visit Contractor Connect, tiptoprealtyin.com today.